and welcome back again to Research Circle. The topic for particular video discussion is top 10 trending research topics to write about. Now, for writing a research paper in the point of view of students or any academician, professors, assistant professors, it is a big task sometimes. This can be some challenge come to students who need to present different ideas in a manner that is concise, well written, and in a very mannerable writing. So this writing process, can be a very hospose for a lot of students, and choosing research topic can be even more frustrating. So we have come up with top 10 trending projects, rather I would say research project and thesis for students basically, and academicians as well. So let's get to the topic straight. The first topic here is energy sources. In this particular paper or the project, you would explore the history of alternative energy supplies, and you can explore alternative energy resources for the new developments. The core question would center around sufficient energy options to manage the needs of world population. An energy source is a debate that is ongoing, particularly in developing nations, which would can for interesting case studies. So the next topic is waste disposal. Now, given overpopulation issues with the world exceeding 6 billion peoples, waste disposal is becoming a major concern. This is also a question for global warming and how the improper disposal of waste may contribute to the hole in the ozone layer. There are many avenues to explore in a topic of this nature. For example, innovation, disposal methods. Now, the disposal methods of the computer and cell phones, the disposal technologies, etc. This can be topic of your project. Then, imposed democracy. Now, democracy is an ideal held high by many nations, and the US is behind the pioneer of this concept after World War II. In fact, US is mainly behind the influencing other countries in the world to adopt democracy. So you could work on the paper interrogating the role of US played in other nations and how it has imposed democracy in other nations as well. The next topic here is like political environment in a Middle East. Now, Middle East has had a long history of conflict and at the center of many debates as the world leaders look for the solution. Now, your research or your paper might come up with much needed innovations to bring peace to the area. For instance, you could examine the history of the nations in the region and their interactions, and nothing possible avenue for peace as well. The next one is religious and globalization. Now, religious or religion is always a tricky topic, but if you approach right, it can spark an interesting debate because the world is interconnected. Technology has created a smaller world and has a major influence on the practice and the spread of religion. So whether it be television or live streaming, the pilgrim to Mecca, technology has changed religious practices in many ways. It could be anything from lava beds national monument to the pyramids in the Giza. The idea is to evoke interest in the readers and keep them hooked till the end. The next and the sixth topic is UN policies on the environment and their impact. This topic could analyze how policies impact on the health of environment in constructive and non-constructive ways. So in this paper, the idea would be to take a close look at these policies and addressing how they impact on the human behavior. In addition, you could speak on the passive impact of these policies and how they address global environmental issues. The seventh is The influence of marketing and media on teens. Now, this is a tool that heavy influences thoughts and behavior pattern, and it influences a lot of our choices. People make certain choices based on what is going or what is being sold to them through media. In this paper, you could investigate how marketing increases the media consumption among young people and how it is constructed. Then the next one is barcode implants. Now, how this may sound like a science fiction movie and it seems impossible, but these have been implemented in a few people and sparked debate. This is a controversial topic, and you can take on the both sides of the issue, and you can describe how the technology involved affects the people. The next and the second last topic for the today is cancer drug studies. Now, the pharmacological environment, cancer drug studies are just one type of topic that can go in many ways. Researchers can study the role of impact of various drugs on cancer cells. Some topics can explore treatments and therapies available. The topic is also interesting in learning how patients deal with the cancer and manage the effect of the particular drug. And the last for today's discussion is drug delivery. Another topic for pharmacy research. You could explore the design of drug delivery system, including liposomes and the liquid crystals as well. Research studies indicate that the immediate environment of the lung may be at the risk of certain treatments. This research paper could analyze the epithelial cell culture for the study by studying human as well as animals. Okay, so while concluding, I would like to say writing a research paper also entails making sure that the formatting is correct depending on the citation style. It is also important to follow the instructions set out by your teacher or the professor or the journal accordingly. Avoid plagiarism by ensuring that you acknowledge using other people's idea through the use of quotations, paraphrasing and summaries. So once you are done, proofread your work and fix grammatical incorrect punctuations and spelling errors. Also, just have a glance look before you send it to any professor or any higher authority, and just check it once again. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to Research Circle yet, please hit that subscribe button now for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care.